Hi, hello guys, welcome to our channel Honey Pinky Education. వీడియో స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. అలాగే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో నోటిఫికేషన్ మీకు రావాలి అంటే పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని కూడా క్లిక్ చేసుకోండి. బై ద వే డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు లైక్ అండ్ షేర్. టుడే అవర్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ ఈరోజు అయితే energy is defined as the capacity to do a work is called energy. The units of energy are CGS unit, ergs, SI unit. In SI unit system, joules. It is a scalar quantity. There are two types of energies. Mechanical energies are two types. There are potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is defined as the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position is called potential energy. This means the energy that depends on its position is called potential energy. PE equals to mgh. This is the formula for potential energy. Example: stretched rubber, bent bow, a body at a height above the ground. This is all about the potential energy, and we go to the derivation of formula. Example: consider a body of mass is lifted to a height, then some work should be done. Okay, that means work done equals to force into displacement. We know that F equals to mg and S equals to h. The work done is in the form of potential. PE equals to mgh. This is the derivation how we got PE equals to mgh formula. It's all about the potential energy. We go to the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is defined as the energy possessed by a body by a virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. That means kinetic energy depends on its motion, as potential energy depends on its position. Ke equals to half mv square. Examples of kinetic energy are moving car, flowing water, flowing wind. These are the examples and definition of the kinetic energy. Now we go to the derivation of kinetic energy. The derivation of, for example, consider a body of mass when is initially at rest. The body is displaced distance in time and reaches final velocity by the amount of force as shown in the figure. This means the body is at rest. When we apply some force on it, it displaced by some area. Now W equals to F into S by Newton's second law. F equals to ma. We know that. W equals to, we can replace it, ma into S. This is equation 1. Using v square minus u square equals to 2as formula, we know that there is no initial velocity because the body is at rest. So u equals to 0. V equals to final velocity. It has final velocity. Moving body has final velocity. V square equals to 2as. We get that. So we want S value. So S equals to V square by 2a. This is the equation 2. Substituting the S value in the equation 1. That means 2 in the 1. Work done equals to ma into V square by 2a. A and a get cancelled. Mv square by 2. We get this. If we separate half, W equals to half mv square. This is the derivation of kinetic energy formula. And click the bell icon for notifications. By the way, don't forget to like and share to our channel Honey Pinky Education.